Hello and welcome. Today we'll be comparing two adjacent oscilloscopes in the Roda and Schwartz lineup, the RTC 1000 and the RTB 2000. Before we dive into the technical specs of each device, let's take a moment to touch on some of the size differences. To get an idea, these two pictures have been scaled to show their relative size to each other. The RTB offers a greater viewing area and higher display resolution than compared to the RTC. In addition, the touchscreen allows for pinch zooming to scale the display just like a tablet or mobile phone. However, in the case of the RTC, it's sometimes nice to have a compact device. So the big trade-off, larger display with the RTB, greater space savings with the RTC. Moving on to the two most important parameters that differentiate these devices, bandwidth and vertical resolution. Both devices are upgradable from their base model bandwidths, up to 300 MHz. However, the starting point on the RTB is higher than the RTC. In addition, the analog-digital converter on the RTB is 10 bits compared to 8 bits on the RTC. That means 4 times the vertical resolution of the RTB between the two, but the RTC will be less expensive for comparable bandwidths. Looking at the capture-oriented specs, across the board the RTB performs at a higher level. We see a 25% higher sample rate from the RTB, better memory, and a much higher update rate compared to the RTC. Massive upgrade for the RTB with 5 times as many waveforms per second. The RTB is going to be better for detecting signal anomalies and faults. Comparatively, the RTC isn't as capable as the RTB, but provides what it does at an excellent value. Lastly, let's touch on some of the more minute differences between the RTC and RTB. The RTB has options for 2 or 4 analog input channels. There's also a number of software packages with the RTB that are not options on the RTC, namely further upgrades to the memory and Bode plot for the frequency of response analysis. So in summary, both the RTC and the RTB are great devices for basic scope needs. The RTC packs a punch for such a small machine, perfect for home labs and in the classroom. The RTB brings larger display, greater resolution, greater memory, an option for 2 additional input channels, and extra ability in the way of data capture and analysis. For more on our oscilloscope line, visit roda-schwarz.com/oscilloscopes. Thanks for watching.